It may not look good, but it will certainly taste great. That is Lizz's Ugly Bakery, and today on his radio, it's Rob and Liz. It's Christmas time in July.
It is. And I will say the macarons that I made are not pretty at all. They're hollow.
They're pretty messed up. They're hollow?
Yeah, and I don't...
How do you manage to do that?
Who knows? I mean, macarons are so tricky and so just... They're not difficult, but they just will turn on you if it's humid, if it's raining. So anyway, but they're going to taste great. I promise you that. And then I have chocolate peanut butter drop cookies.
Uh-oh.
So those are so easy. So I have 3 different things to choose this morning. 2 of them only took 10 minutes apiece. The macarons take about 2 hours plus. But peppermint bark. Do you like any of these?
I don't know. What would be the lowest calorie one? The hollow ones?
That would be the apple that I had earlier this morning.
I'll take it.
Yeah, because maybe the peppermint bark.
I'll let you. Okay.
Maybe. Okay, so, I'm going to give you a small piece.
Thank you.
You don't want the others?
No,
okay.
I better not.
Okay. And then Ian wanted the peppermint bark. I'm going to give him the big bad boy there. And TJ wanted the chocolate peanut butter drop cookie.
See, that's what I normally will go for, but
yeah.
I'm trying to get healthy here.
They get a big glass of milk.
They're getting milk. Oh, isn't that crazy?
That one down. Okay, now you have macarons, so try those.
So we're going to give this a taste test.
Yeah.
Ian and TJ in our video department, they're our producers. I've got the peppermint bark. Mm-hmm. So here's the thing. If you want the recipes and if you would like to see Liz's Ugly Kitchen, just go to hisradio.com, click on the Rob and Liz blog, and you'll see the recipes and everything right there. Maybe you'll do a better job on the presentation.
Maybe so. Everything else looks really good. The peppermint bark, I think, is one of the prettiest things you can make.
Okay.
Right. What's it taste like?
Let's start with TJ, who's taking a sip of milk when I ask him about it.
So he's already had a bite.
This is a good cookie. This makes me happy. This reminds me, this is almost as good as my mom's.
Oh,
that's a high compliment.
It is a high compliment when you can get close to mama.
Okay, Ian has the peppermint bark.
Sorry, what month is it?
I know.
This is so good. Sorry, I love peppermint and I love white chocolate, so I'm just in heaven right now. I'm just ready to start opening presents. This is a very good experience.
Well, you'll have to go to your mama for that. Let me tell you.
Okay, so I have my piece.
Are you kidding? You can't even get a taste from that little...
I can get a taste from this little chunk.
Okay.
That's good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have the peppermint bark, by the way.
Right.
Did anybody get the macaron?
Yeah, I gave them a macaron to choose. And I know it's one of Ian's things he likes.
I need somebody to at least try it.
I know. Yeah, he's getting it. Oh, it's falling apart because I'm telling you, they're hollow.
Completely fell apart as soon as my teeth touched it.
Okay. Is it anything like your mom's?
Well, you never made macaroons, no. But
So that'd be no.
So no, nothing like it. But still really good. I love the flavor. What do you think, TJ?
It's raspberry, by the way.
Oh, TJ's still eating it.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
See? I'm telling
Okay.
you, they look terrible. They taste really good.
Yep.
I had to fight the family to get them out of the house.
Doesn't look pretty, but it tastes great. Liz's Ugly Bakery. You can see everything, including the recipes, hisradio.com. Click on the Rob and Liz blog.